In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create neon text animation in Canva. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and get that glowing, animated neon text effect for your videos, social posts, or thumbnails. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can pick any size that fits your project, like a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or a custom size. Once your blank page is open, we want to set a dark background so the neon really stands out. From here, go to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type black background and choose a simple dark or pure black option. Drag it onto your canvas so it covers the whole page. If you don't see a background you like, you can also just click on the canvas, go to the color tile at the top, and choose solid black or a very dark color. This high contrast is what makes the neon glow pop. Now that the background is ready, it's time to add your text. On the left side, click on the Text tab. Click Add a Heading, and a text box will appear in the center of your design. Type in the word or short phrase you want to animate, like neon, live, or whatever fits your project. Keep it fairly short so the glow and animation are easy to see and not too cramped. Next, we're going to pick a font that works well for neon. With your text selected, go up to the font drop-down at the top. Look for a bold, clean font. A font like Muley or a similar simple, thick style is great because it gives more surface area for the glow. Avoid super thin or very decorative fonts because the neon effect will be weaker and harder to read. Once you choose your font, adjust the size so it fills a good portion of the canvas but still has some space around it. This spacing helps the glow breathe. Now let's turn this into actual neon. With the text still selected, look at the top toolbar and click on Effects. You'll see a row of text effects. Find and click on the one called Neon. As soon as you select it, the text will start to glow. Under that effect, you'll see an intensity slider. Drag this slider to adjust how strong the glow looks. Higher intensity will make the glow brighter and a bit more transparent, giving it that light tube feel. Lower intensity will keep it more solid. Move the slider until you get a glow you like. You can always tweak this again later. From here, we want to create depth, which is key for a nice animation. With your text selected, either press duplicate in the top right or use copy and paste. Now you have two identical text layers stacked on top of each other. This duplicate is very important because we'll animate each layer slightly differently to create a layered neon effect. Next, let's animate the main text. Click on just one of the text layers. Make sure only one is selected, then in the top toolbar, click on Animate. A panel will open with different animation presets. For a neon text animation, writing style effects work really well. Look for options like typewriter for a clean, turning on effect, or flicker for a more glitchy electric feel. Click on typewriter to test it, then try flicker and see which matches the style you want. In the same panel, you can adjust the speed so the animation plays faster or slower. Also check the direction options. You can have the animation happen on, exit, or both. For a simple neon lights turning on feel, set it to on so it animates as it appears. Now we'll create a subtle outline effect with the duplicate text layer. Click on the second text layer, the copy you made earlier. It may be directly on top, so you might need to drag it slightly and then line it back up. With that second layer selected, go back to Effects and choose the neon effect again. This time, reduce the intensity or make it a bit less vibrant than the first layer. This can create a softer glow or a dimmer outline behind the main bright text, which adds depth. From here, click Animate again while that second layer is selected. Pick a different animation style from the first one. For example, if your main text uses typewriter, try something like bounce or a simple fade for this second layer. You can also set it to appear just after the first one, using a timing or after option so it feels like an extra glow turning on behind the main word. This staggered animation helps the neon look more dynamic, instead of everything moving the same way. Finally, let's customize the colors so it really looks like neon. Select one text layer and click on the text color box at the top. Choose bright, vibrant shades like hot pink, electric blue, lime green, or bright purple. These colors naturally look more neon against a black background. Then select the other text layer and give it either the same color at a slightly different shade or a complementary neon color so they blend into a cool glow. Test a few combinations until the neon text animation looks strong, readable, and eye-catching. Once you're happy, preview the animation with the play button, and then you can download it as an MP4 or GIF depending on where you plan to use it.